Hello and welcome to Éire. My name is Ben. I'm here to have a look at the two bikes side by side, and that is the original Africa Twin. That is a 02 model, and of course we have the new Africa Twin in front of us here, which is the 1100. Obviously manual transmission between them. This is just a comparison video, so I'll go over certain things on the bike. It shouldn't take too long. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you've had the original Africa Twin bike. I'll also just discuss a few things in relation to it. So enjoy the video, leave a comment, leave a like, and consider subscribing if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Well, we look at the front of the old Africa Twin here. We've got 21-inch front wheel. Obviously they're spoked, inner spokes, so they require a tube. Braking system, no ABS, effectively no electronics on the older bike. 276mm dual disc brake, and obviously twin caliper, and of course you've got the standard telescopic fork. Suspension travel 226mm, so not far off its original competitor, but effectively no electronic assistance on the front here. When we talk comfort on these bikes, they did bring out a new seat, and I believe in 1996, and it's about 860mm seat height. It is 850 to 870 on the newer bike. It does look well cushioned. It's a one piece. It's kind of your generic enduro style seat. Paneling, obviously these were the Africa Twin colors. Again, steel frame that we can see on the side here looks very solid. Obviously the bike is over 20 years old. Still looks in fairly decent condition, like with the handlebar covers here. Not sure if they were original fitment, they kind of look like it. The control is very straightforward. I can just see it by the dash. I'll show you in a sec. That's the handlebar setup for the old Africa Twin. Obviously someone's gone and fitted I think that's heater grips. Yep, that'll be a heater grip setup, but very analog, very straightforward. As you can see here, obviously your lighting on the left here, turn signals, start buttons on that side, your cut-off switches there, very straightforward. Fuel tank obviously generic on the top. Of course, if we have a look at the side here, obviously the same thing can be said here. This is very up to date. Obviously cruise control on that side, controls on this side, center display there, fully digital. Let's start the bike up. Well, we look at the heart of the old Africa Twin. It was a V-twin 742cc engine, and it developed just over 60 horsepower at about 7,500 RPM. The torque rating, I believe, was about 62 newton meters. If that's incorrect, I'll put the correct amount on screen, and that was about 6,500 RPM. Decent sized fuel tank on these. I believe they are in the 20s. I'll put the exact amount on screen as well. Unsure on fuel consumption, so if you've had an Africa Twin and you're saying the fuel consumption's great, let me know, put it up there, put it down in a comment down below as well, because it'd be interesting to see how the old engine compares between obviously the new one and the old one. Right, let's run through the actual model change here. So we're going to just look at it from a design perspective. I'll zoom in if necessary. We've got a headlamp systems, side paneling here, obviously exposed engine, and we're going to do a side-by-side look in relation to its design. We're looking at our Africa Twin side paneling. Alright, so let's have a look there. That looks definitely much, well actually probably looks similar in relation to this section, this midsection here. Our engine, obviously with the metal engine guard, partially seen through there. Chain, let's have a look here in relation to that there. That looks very similar. There's our exhaust system there. Side paneling, seating, spoke front wheels, our telescopic fork covers, exhaust system, and our paneling here. Very nice indeed. Special thanks to Tig and his team here at Morans Bike Shop. If you are in the market for a Honda, a new Honda or used Honda, definitely consider giving the team here a call. I'll put the details in the description. They're currently based in Drumshanbo and County Leitrim in Ireland. So obviously if you're in the country and you're looking at a Honda, Morans Bike Shop, definitely be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching. It was great to have the bikes side by side, so we could just do a visual comparison between the two, see what the differences were in relation to some of its tech, suspension, braking systems, engine differences, that sort of thing. Obviously we got one here on the left is totally mechanical, no electronic aids whatsoever, and of course we have this electronic marvel here next to us. Different ride modes, ABS, traction control, torque control. You've got wheelie control. There's a large amount of stuff that is in relation to what has happened over the last 20 years, and it's interesting to see that in sort of face value, from design, technology wise, from innovation. Your center dash, what that looks like. We've got heated grips here, options that weren't even considering heated grips back then, but you could buy it as an aftermarket. Difference in wheels, from a tubeless system from a tube system. Obviously a lot has changed in relation to the two bikes, so I'm glad to have shared this with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like if you like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've owned the old Africa Twin. What did you think of that bike? Have you got the new Africa Twin? Did you change from an old one to a new one? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But thanks for watching, and I appreciate the time that you spent here, and I hope you have a fantastic day wherever you are, and stick around. You might want to subscribe to the channel, enjoy the content that is currently there as well, and I'll see you all in the next video.